You say you want to read more books, but every time you open a book, your mind drifts and you read 3 lines, and suddenly you are thinking about your messages, your to-do list, and what to eat for dinner. And you tell yourself you are not a reading person, but that's not true. You just forgot what reading really is. Reading isn't about finishing books, it's about feeling alive inside them. And in this video, I will show you how to fall in love with reading again, how to make it feel natural, romantic, and effortless, and so that every page pulls you in a way you create movie or songs does. And because once you remember the feeling of reading, it becomes so natural and the easiest, most beautiful habit in the world. The biggest mistake people make is reading like it's a homework. They chase knowledge instead of wonder, and stop choosing books because they look smart because you need to read them. Choose the ones that make your heart skip a beat. What you want to read, choose what you want to read, and read what excites you, what confuses you, what makes you feel seen. And when a book hits you emotionally, you don't have to push yourself to read. You want to read, you find yourself sneaking a bit, few lines while waiting for your coffee, or staying up late because you just can't stop reading. That's how reading becomes romantic again, and you let your heart choose the book, and it rewards you with words you never want to leave. And once you have found that feeling protected, reading doesn't need to be a marathon, or it can be a moment and 5 minutes, one page, a single paragraph, and but makes it sacred: a cup of tea, a quiet corner, a soft light, your phone away. Because when reading feels peaceful instead of pressured, it becomes a ritual your heart looks forward to. And you don't need to discipline when something feels this gentle. Consistency isn't built by force, it grows from desire. Every book is a secret conversation across time. Someone once felt something so deeply they turned into words, and somehow these words reached you. That's not a coincidence, that's a connection. When you realize you are not just reading ink on paper, you are meeting minds centuries apart. You start to read differently, and you underline, you pause, you whisper yes, and when a line hits home, and that's when the reading becomes personal. The more you read, the more you notice something beautiful. Books aren't really about the author, it's about you. They are about you. Every story reflects something hidden inside you: your fears, your dreams, and your doubts. And when you recognize yourself in the pages, reading stops being a task. It becomes a kind of therapy for you, and a mirror that shows you who you are, who you were, and who you could be. So, if you want to fall in love with reading again, stop chasing numbers, stop chasing trends, and start chasing feeling. Because books aren't meant to be finished, they are meant to be felt. One day you will realize you are addicted again, not to noise, not to screens, but to the quiet magic of turning pages. And in that silence, you will meet the deepest part of yourself. Thank you.